Hi, my name is Kate Perry, and I'm the Assistant Director of Exhibits here at the Mississippi Children's Museum. We are doing everything that we can to keep you and your family safe when you come on down to visit us. Here are just a few things that we're doing to make sure that you're safe. The first thing you can do when you come to the Mississippi Children's Museum is sanitize or wash your hands. We have these hand sanitizer stations all over the museum, so you're ready to go. We disinfect the museum multiple times a day. We use this heavy-duty peroxide which kills COVID-19. We spray down everything that's been touched in the museum. We let it sit, and then we wipe it away. Good to go. Another thing that we encourage is social distancing. And luckily, we have tons of things in the museum that are 6 feet apart, just like this frame. Oh, hi Shelby. Another thing you can do to stay safe is always wear your mask. Make sure it goes over your nose and under your chin. We're excited for you to come visit us at the Mississippi Children's Museum. See you soon.